Canon 4. A judge may, with due regard to official duties, engage in activities to improve the law, the legal system, and the administration of justice. Rule point 4.01. A judge may, to the extent that the following activities do not impair the performance of judicial duties or cast doubt on the judge's impartiality. A. Speak, write, lecture, teach, or participate in activities concerning the law, the legal system, and the administration of justice. B. Appear at public hearing before legislative or executive body on matters concerning the law, the legal system, of the administration of justice, and otherwise consult with them on matters concerning the administration of justice. C. Serve on any organization devoted to the improvement of the law, the legal system, or the administration of justice. Canon 5. A judge should regulate extrajudicial activities to minimize the risk of conflict with judicial duties of vocational, civil, and charitable activities. Rule 5.01. A judge may engage in the following activities provided that they do not interfere with the performance of judicial duties or detract from the dignity of the court. A. Write, lecture, teach, and speak on non-legal subjects. B. Engage in the arts, sports, and other special recreational activities. C. Participate in civic and charitable activities. D. Serve as an officer, director, trustee, or non-legal advisor of a non-profit or non-political, educational, religious, charitable, fraternal, or civic organization. Financial activities. Rule 5.02. A judge shall refrain from financial and business dealings that tend to reflect adversely on the court's impartiality, interference with the proper performance of judicial activities, or increase involvement with lawyers or persons likely to come before the court. A judge should so manage investment and other financial interests as to minimize the number of cases giving grounds for disqualification. Rule 5.03. Subject to the provisions of the preceding rule, a judge may hold and manage investment but should not serve as an officer, director, manager, advisor, or employee of any business except as director of a family business of the judge. Rule 5.04. A judge or any immediate member of the family shall accept a gift, bequest, favor, or loan from anyone except as may be allowed by law. Rule 5.05. No information acquired in judicial capacity shall be used or disclosed by a judge in any financial dealing or for any other purpose not related to judicial activities. Fiduciary activities. Rule 5.06. A judge should not serve as the executor, administrator, trustee, guardian, or other fiduciary except for the state, trust, or person of a member of the immediate family, and then only such service and then of such only if such service will not interfere with the proper performance of judicial duties. Member of immediate family shall be limited to the spouse and relatives within the second degree of consanguinity. As a family fiduciary, a judge shall not: 1. Serve in proceedings that might come before the court of said judge, or 2. Act as such contrary to rules 5.02 to 5.05. Practice of law and other profession. Rule 5.01. A judge shall not engage in the private practice of law unless prohibited by the Constitution or law. A judge may engage in the practice of any other profession provided that such practice will not conflict or tend to conflict with judicial functions. Financial disclosure. Rule 5.08. A judge shall full financial disclosure as required by law. Extrajudicial appointments. Rule 5.01. A judge shall not accept appointment, or designation to any agency performing quasi-judicial or administrative functions. Political activities. Rule 5.01. A judge is entitled to entertain personal views on political questions, but to avoid suspicion of political partisanship, a judge shall not make political speeches, contribute to party funds, publicly endorse candidates for political office, or participate in other partisan political activities. Compliance with the Code of Judicial Conduct. All judges shall strictly comply with this code. Date of effectivity. This code, promulgated on 5 September 1989, shall take effect on 20 October 1989.